Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, this is a follow-up to the sample orders that we made with Melon. And as you can see, we're doing an unboxing right now. I'm going to walk through and show you exactly what I ordered. And if you look at the other video that I've linked below here, you can find it on my YouTube as well. You'll see how I made this first sample order. But you see a box full of really great printed products here from Melon. These are all print on demand, and these were all ordered as samples, just a bunch of different designs from my stores and put on different garments. And I'm going to open them up and show you. But you see some of the really cool premium features here with that custom neck tagging and extra branding that you see. And everything shipped in a really nice poly bag. So we're going to be able to open each one up, have a really nice experience with each product. Everything looks really clean, packaged nice and sharply. And again, this is the follow-up to that Melon video where I have ordered some samples. Before I rip into these packages, I want to show you how they're going to be presented. And you could imagine as a customer, you're ordering maybe from one of my brands for the first time, and you're getting a package like this, nicely folded. It's not all puffy and it's not taking up a lot of space. It looks professionally packaged and it's fully sealed, so it's clean, it's new, and it gives that kind of first impression, which is so important when they're unboxing this package. Seeing not just the shirt thrown together inside of a box. We have everything nicely folded, nicely packaged, and sealed, as you can see. So really great first impression. You see, we can look at the design through here. I'm going to, of course, go into more detail. Here is, I think this is a hoodie right here, yeah. So we'll be opening this up and you'll see. But just overall presentation, first impression, I should say, really high with these nice poly bags and the professional folding. So, we have a bunch of these in the package here, or in the box. Your customer might just receive one. Doesn't matter, right? They're all going to be individually sealed here, no matter how many you've ordered. And you see different garment styles as well, all coming together in these same type of bags. All right, let's get to the good stuff. We're going to now open up one of these packages, and this is the fitness tank top that we have. And again, each one individually in the poly bag. Go ahead and rip this open. And really, first impressions on this shirt, it's super soft. It's kind of that athletic style, so it's kind of the jersey material or that kind of Nike dry fit material. And you see as I open it up here, really kind of that shiny material on there. You see the print, super high quality there, no issues whatsoever. I mean, that's a very, very high quality print over there. There's no issues with any type of fading or anything like that. Really strong on the exact colors over here. And you see there's really no issues whatsoever there. So you're always going to get that really high quality print with Melon. You see up close there, again, full ink distribution over there. There's no white spots or black spots or anything like that. The real highest quality that you can get. Seeing that on this tank top over here. And just one of the many products that I sampled here. So we'll move on to the next one. All of these products, again, you could see the original video where I actually walked through the app and made these sample orders. So here's another one, same design here, a little bit different style of t-shirt. A little bit different material. This isn't the athletic style. This is just kind of a normal shirt. And one of the coolest features is the custom neck tagging up there, really just giving so much extra branding and increasing that first impression. Really nice quality shirt here. Again, the print, you see 100% ink distribution there. We're not seeing any kind of print lines. We're not seeing any of the back come through. That's really because of that high quality print technology that they have here. It's going to work like that on any garment that we have. You see the back over here again. Same quality where it's very sharp, right? Super nice print, and you'll see that across all of the different garments that we are going to cover in this video. But a nice t-shirt there, and really kind of something that jumps off of you or jumps out at you is that high quality print, especially when you're holding it in hand, really being able to put it right up to your face, looking for any imperfections. There really aren't any. So very impressive in the print quality there. Here's another one. We got a little bit different design here. And we got the pocket print here. So again, that custom neck tagging, just, taking that first impression, taking that branding to the next level, right? Really something that even if people don't notice it, they subconsciously notice it and kind of associate a higher perceived value with your brand. I love the sleeve printing on here. Again, very crisp, high quality. All the prints, right? They look exactly the same. There's no difference in quality. There's not faded prints. There's not kind of issues coming through the prints. They're all very high, and you see that really cool addition with the sleeve print to really kind of take your brand, again, to the next level. There's all these additional things, right? They got great printing, of course, but they have the neck tagging, they have the pocket prints, they have the sleeve prints, they have these really nice poly bags where everything's packaged, folded nice, right? It's about the presentation as well as the quality, and there's really no doubt the quality at all times is super high. We're gonna see another one right here, right? This is a kid's shirt, or a youth size shirt. So a really cool niche. Not a lot of print-on-demand companies offer this. Print Melon has a lot of different youth sizes over there. So we're seeing this one over here. Again, take a look at that print really close. Different design here, same result, very high quality, no ink coming through. You see, again, just this is that youth size, so a little bit smaller, but very high quality print. Got another youth product over here as well. This one is, I believe, a onesie for babies. You see this is in a different color here, but again, same super high quality print. Very unique here for print on demand. Youth and babies, not typically what you're seeing in print on demand stores. So this is something that you could add to your store. You're going to get that high print quality. You're going to get a very unique product. And again, you get the same kind of poly bagging and presentation that you get with any other product. Now, these are two different hoodies that I ordered for samples, and I did the same design. You can take a look up close. We have a couple different styles of hoodies here, so you're seeing a little bit different print result. In both cases, great quality prints, nothing coming through, super vibrant, and you see one has a little bit shinier style hoodie. The other one is more of a matte black over there, so two different options. The one on the left maybe a little bit more of an athletic style. The one on the right, you're more traditional. And you see the prints over there, right? Really vibrant over there, especially with this type of green. I really wanted to sample this one to see how it would come out. I was very impressed. You'll see I used this design across a couple of garments, and it comes out in very high quality, especially when you take a look up close, and you could even see the pocket print over here. Again, you're not seeing any black coming through. You're not seeing any fading of the design, or fading of the colors, I should say. We even have sleeve prints over here on the hoodies. So super high quality, again, super unique to add that branding on top of your traditional product. Everyone's gonna be selling hoodies, but maybe not everyone's gonna have that custom neck tagging or the custom arm prints. So that's really cool. And now you're looking at a couple of long sleeves over here. Really popular, really great margin, selling long sleeve t-shirts, nice high perceived value with these products. And you see, I'm gonna come up really close. Great print quality, where we see this across every single garment here. You're not seeing any black coming through. You're not seeing any distortion or fading. Everything is super sharp. You see that extra branding over there with the logo neck area. I did this for both styles over here, and just an easy way to make your brand seem more valuable, seem like you have just something higher end and different across all the other brands that are out there. So this is what happens when you have a really good print on demand partner. You're going to get all these extras on top of having the really good print quality. Talk about extras, I love the sleeve print over here. As you see on the long sleeve, it really makes for a nice shirt. The customer feels like they're getting a lot on the print. Now you're just looking at the back over here, same high quality print. And think about this, you have the neck print, you have of course the front print, you could have the sleeves printed and the back print, all presented in that nice folded poly bag. That's how you create a really high quality brand. And you're seeing it in these samples right here from Print Melon. So you can see really high quality prints there. This is all through Print Melon. You see the link directly below this video. You can take a look at the original video as well, where I ordered these samples step by step in the app. Really easy to use, but highly recommended. Check out the link below, and I hope this helps you build a huge print on demand business.